lost my keys. Looks like I'll have to call the locksmith.
Hello? Oh, hey, what's up, Shaq?
Hey, Locksmith Dodovich. Yeah, it's me, Shaq. Yeah, I'm locked out of my house, man.
Alright, I'm on my way, man. What's your address again?
3223 Paulville Avenue, bro. Hurry up, I'm freezing.
Alright, well, I'll take my time then.
Man, where's this locksmith? Wow, finally here. It took 2 hours.
Oh, hey, Shaq.
What's up?
So, called about the lock?
Yeah, it's right there.
Alright, well, let's have a look. I'll have this done in no time. And there it is.
Wow, thanks, man. You deserve a raise.
Well, it's just my job, son.